Ladies and gentlemen, watch as the stage turns into an airplane before your very eyes. This is Redeye Flyby, written by Dave Lane and Josh Bardo. And our lovely actors, Amanda Wilson, Joe Fody, Vince Figueroa, and Matt Lewinsky. Again, I am Joe Steph.
Thanks for choosing Today Air, because we'll get you there today. Welcome aboard Flight 16. We got the Redeye, and we'll be traveling to a destination. We have a cruising altitude of 36,000 feet. Pretty impressive. Your in-flight entertainment tonight will be me, so you're welcome. I want you to sit back, relax, and hey, remember, today is just a day that tomorrow isn't.
I'm Miley.
I'm Harriet.
Hi, Harriet.
What now?
Yeah, please.
Is everything okay, Miley?
Yeah, it's okay. I know her name now, so there's no stranger danger, Mom. Oh, sure.
I don't usually know.
No, it's okay. I got some chocolate chip ones left, and you could just... Oh, sorry. Don't worry. It didn't get any germs on it. Yeah, picked it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ha, got it before they could get to it. Don't worry, I saved it. Here you go.
Hey everybody, how we doing on the today? Now, today is January 12th, and who knows what special date that means, right? Okay, you guessed it, Rob Zombie's birthday, yeah. So who wants to join me with a little in-flight tribute to Rob Zombie? All right, then, here's what we're going to do. I'm going to point to you, and I want you to say, hell yeah, let's try it out, okay? 1, 2, 3.
Hell yeah!
All right, you got it. That's the day that you want it.
Hell yeah!
On your birthday, Beast.
Hell yeah!
All right, you guys are great. Listen, if you want to hear AC/DC, Katy Perry, I'll sing it for you. I'll be up at the cockpit. Thanks again for flying Today Air. Okay.
Harriet, I had a birthday 3.5 weeks ago, and I got a bicycle that had pegs on it.
Oh, that's nice. Please. Do you even know that 84% of bicycle germs are right there on the handlebars?
No.
Yes.
Mom? Bored. My mom's asleep.
You're pretty. Oh, it looks like we were going to be here a while. Come on now. You know how to play gin rummy?
Yeah, I bet I beat your butt.
Okay, well, here, put these on.
Later in the flight.
Hey, folks, how you doing? All right, thanks for the feedback. I have a few in-flight announcements just to make you aware of. We had some cutbacks at Today Air, and so that means we no longer have an in-flight staff meals, movies, and here's a little fun fact for you. All the oxygen we're breathing in here, 20% composted and recycled.
I don't mean to be a Sour Patch Kid, but who's flying the plane?
The plane? The plane? Oh my goodness, who can fly a plane? Just kidding, I got the sucker on autopilot, she'll fly all night. Oh man. Call her Otto for fun. Little thing, Otto has a lot of gas. Terminal chili dogs. Okay. Thanks again for flying today.
I brought enough snacks for everybody. I've got cookies, candy, crackers, combos, Cracker Jack, peanut butter, peanut brittle, Bush's baked beans, Brock's chocolate stars, moon brandy bits, vodka, egg, baking soda, star anise, salt, pepper, yeast, and a small salad, but that's for me. I have 2 points.
Oh, hey! Speaking of Snickers, did you hear about the one with me and the phone call I got? I only heard 2 wings.
Something?
Yeah! You said I could have a sucker if I didn't cry, and I didn't cry at all, and I want a sucker.
Come here, dear. Oh, that rhymes. Isn't that something?
This one time, I had a warhead, and it was so sour that it made my face into a lemon like this, and I got stuck like this. Can you see my lemon face? My eyes are closed, so I can't see you, so are you looking at my lemon face?
Yes, I am.
Okay. I was so worried that I got stuck like this, because I thought I'll never see my toys again. And then I went back to being a candy. The warhead, not my face. My face is not a candy.
I figured. Look, I don't even know that 1 out of every 5 pieces of candy has been handled by somebody with filthy, rotten, unclean, they're not even washed, hands. Really?
I didn't know that. I got a little.
It's roomy around the inside. Oh, okay. So, new company policy, all meetings are to be held in the laboratory. Space saver.
Look, I'm gonna catch something in here, and I'm gonna die. Yeah, I need a new seat. Now!
Well, ma'am, I'm really sorry. You have lovely eyebrows. But I'm more sorry that I can't move you to another spot. We're all out of seats and can't do the old switcheroo.
I think you need to make an exception. This is not working out. See, I have a thing with germs.
Germs?
Yes, germs!
afraid Amelia Earhart's ghost. Otto, what's going on up there, buddy? I gotta get to the cockpit, man. Excuse me. Nope. Okay, I'm gonna try this again. Nope. Okay. I'll go right. Okay. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Okay.
Would you like a snack, dearie? I find a Rolo always calms my nerves.
All right, folks, if you haven't already, please buckle up. We're going through a bit of turbulence up here. And remember on your comment cards, remember it was Otto's fault that we got into this turbulence. Otto, A-U-T-O. Okay, thanks. Now remember, buckle up your bootstraps, your jock straps, and your banana straps because we're going to die!
I can't die like this. I've been afraid of everything all my life. Oh God, germs and microbes and wet naps and my gloves. Not like this. I'm not gonna die like this. I want to live. I want to live like you do. Oh God, I want to eat the food off the floor and I want to lick my lap lollipops.
All right, folks, looks like somebody owes me a round of applause for getting us out of that one. You give me too little credit. Well, we're almost at our destination, so just keep strapped in, and thanks again for flying today's air, because guess what? It's today somewhere.